Hello, greetings, universe. Hello. Welcome, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. How are you guys? I hope you guys are properly hydrated. Thank you, Senko, for joining the stream. How are you? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing good. I'm going to set up Starly so you can see Starly. There we go. Here's Starly. So, yes, Senko says, of course, I'd be here when I have time. Yes, I really appreciate that you're joining the streams whenever you can. That's really great to have you around. That's what I will have to say about that. Senko says, I'm doing really good because I can watch you. How are you? Aww. Thank you. I don't think Starly would want to be eaten. Also, I don't think I want you to eat him either. Because I am here only because he is here. Without him, I can't be here around. So, better keep him alive. Better keep him alive. So the stream will be able to happen. You know? Does that make sense? Hope it does. Hope it does. Just a small bite. What do you want to bite? What part do you want to bite? Ear. I'm afraid I am not be able to have internet if you're going to eat one of his ears. My internet connection will probably be gone. Yeah. And then I won't be able to stream. Unfortunately. Yeah, that's really no good. We don't want that to happen. Do we? Do we? So, I don't know if you noticed, but Starly is here, and whenever there's a new alert, then he's making like a cute face. So, yeah, that's what we did last stream. And hopefully, maybe someone will be able to be a follower today or a subscriber or anything like that. So you can see this in action. Hopefully, Starly also reacts to bits and stuff like that. I just wasn't able to test this before. I will only have to test it live when it happens. Oh well. We'll get the chance. I hope. At some point. Senko says, I saw that Starly is there. He is really cute. Yes, he is. He already made sounds 2 times. Yes. He made sound and also he changed his face. Or should have changed his face. Did you notice that by any chance? If you did, I can send a test. Oh, okay, nice. But I will still make a test. Let's let's make a test. I will send a false notification. Ooh. Hello, Alicia. Stop. Huh? How's that pronounce your name? Help. Oh, there we go. There we go. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. It worked. Ah, hello, Manager. I will try to remember that this is you. Yes, so as you can see, he changed the name and also Starly made a face. Did you notice that? Did you notice the face that he made? Oh no, I will fix the YouTube chat. I will fix the YouTube chat. Let me do that. Let me do that. That's very important because we're going to use the YouTube chat today quite a bit. Let me fix that. There we go. Should work now. Should work now. I hope. Help me check. Please. Morajo says I have to use this overly secure Twitch thing to see you and comment my nonsense. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. Yay! Thank you. Okay, now it works. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you, Sanka. Thank you. That's great. Great to see that it works. Hello, kitty puppy. Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining the stream. Nice. Nice. So, what we're going to do today? Hopefully, I will be able to let you control Starly with commands and stuff. Yes. Hopefully, we can do that today. We're kind of going to do this from scratch, so with code, kitty puppy. It's going to be with code. We use code in this place. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. We're going to do this from scratch. So I don't know if we'll be able to get this working today, but we will try. It depends on how fast we're going to be. And yes, Sanko, I hope today will be fun. Yes. Okay, let's get to it. Nice. Right. So as you can see, the server is running. Sanko says all streams are fantastic. Nice. I'm happy you think so. Kitty Puppy, if you have any questions about what I do, I would love to explain, so don't be afraid to ask. So, yeah, the server is currently running and it's all of these weird messages are about getting new notifications. There are no new notifications. No. So therefore, it's empty. Marjorie says, teach us for free. Yes. This is my intent. Education should be shared with everyone. Everyone has the right for education. Indeed. Kitty Pappy says, why is everything on screen right now? It hurts me. Eyeballs. This is Python. And this is what moving Starly around whenever there are messages. Also, this is how the notifications are happening on these clouds that you see here. All of those 3 clouds. They're all happening thanks to the Python code that you see on screen right now. Yeah. Usually, the way to do this is just to use existing chatbots. But we don't have to use chatbots if we know how to code. This way, all of our data stays with us. And we don't have to share this data with weird chatbots. Marjorie says everyone assigned the Boris and Starly is overly educated. Marjorie, I am here to share knowledge with everyone for free. So, no money is required here. Senko, your brain will be able to handle. Yes. If you have questions, let me know. Marjorie says, can we look at the code that separates the sprite speeds of animation? Well, yes, of course. Here you can see the animation for Starly. This is him floating around. That's what makes Starly float in the air. And in order to have the names of everyone move in the clouds, this is what we have here. This is the code that moves the clouds. The names in the clouds. I think I can make him spin. I will just need to use a different animation for it and to restart the server. We can make Starly spin for now. Let's try to do that. Why not? So for now, I will comment this part out. I'm commenting this out so it won't take effect. And instead of making it floating up and down, we want him to spin, right? We want Starly to spin. So instead of up and down animation, we want him to spin instead, right? Is that what you're asking for, kitty puppy? Yes. Okay. So, in order to make him spin, we will need to change the animation over here to spin. And we will need to change the degrees of rotation. So, first we start with a 0 degree. And then we want him to make a full circle, if that's what you're asking for. And then we will also need to change the animation for him over here to spin. Let's see what it would look like. So I have to restart the server to do this. So give me a moment to restart the server. Just a moment. Yes, I have to restart the server. Okay. Restarting the server. Putting the server back up. Now I have to do authentication for YouTube. So Starly will be able to read notifications from YouTube. And now... Oh no, what's happening here? What happened? It's ruined. As you can see, I can read all of your messages from YouTube. As you can see, all of them are here. So, for some reason... Oh no, what happened? So, for some reason, the server is dead. Huh. Yes, the server is dead. I guess... I wonder why. Maybe I will not print all of your messages. Do you guys see your messages though? They're all here. So I will not print your messages. At least at first, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna call this function for now. And let's try to restart the server again. No, it's not because I'm too cute. There is no limit to my cuteness. Okay, let's try to restart the server. And let's see what happens. So whenever I'm restarting the server, I'm also sending a message. This is part of the code. Okay. So soon enough the server will be up and running. Now I'm refreshing the client that's using the server, and we need to see Starly spinning around. There we go. Is that what you wanted, kitty puppy? Senko says, yeah, that's the problem. Normal programs can't handle your cuteness and get a cuteness overload. Ah, okay, I see what you mean. Yes. Yeah. So, oh! Well, hello, Fall Plants. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome. Yes, so Starly was pinging around. And now... I'm going to move it back to floating. Unless, kitty puppy, you have any other requests. I'm gonna put him back to just floating. There we go. And now I will restart the server again. Let's get to it. Okay, need to authenticate for YouTube. And now I need to authenticate for Twitch. Yeah, it sends a message every time. Oh, kitty puppy, don't worry about it. Thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. Hello, Tank! Hello, Tank! Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. It's great to have you around. Tank says, oh man, I was zoning out and missed the go live notification. But you have joined! So that's really nice. Check out Starly. He's making such a cute face whenever there's a new notification. Marjorie says so many people were welcome. Yes. Ah, yes. You're using the Starly emote. It's so cute. Yay. Doop doop doop. Yay! More Starly emotes. Nice. Okay, we didn't really actually start yet, so we can get to it. So Tank, don't worry. You didn't really miss much. So I do have some code here that takes the YouTube messages. It's over here. It's happening right here. Sorry, not here. This one. This one gets all of the messages. Whoa! Wait. What? What's this? Ah! Oh. What's this? Whoa! Tink. Whoa! Tink! Thank you so much. You know what you did now? Do you know what you did right now? Do you know? You don't know. I will tell you what you did right now. You have helped me to test a piece of code that I was not able to. I was not able to test this code because it's the type of notifications that have to happen during stream. Yes. So I was not able to test this code up until now, and now you made proof that it works. Yay! Thank you so much for the subscribe, and thank you for helping me test the code. Unfortunately, I will have to restart the server soon, and then the notification will go. Oh well. But thank you so much. Thank you so much for the subscription. So that's great. Unbelievable! Now I can finally confirm that this piece of code works. Yay! I was not able to test it up until today because Twitch don't give a very convenient way to check these kind of stuff. I have found like a way to create an actual Twitch server in order to test this, but it means I will have to communicate with the local server of Twitch. So, yeah. There is no really nice way to test these stuff except for IRL. So that's really nice. Yay! Sanko says, look how happy you made her. Appreciate it. Yes. Because it's not just a subscribe, but it's also helped me to test a piece of code that I was not able to test at all. And now I know it works! So, this is not just one thing happened. 2 things happened here. You know? It's awesome! It's awesome. Okay. Back to the code, the actual code. So this is going to be my way to read your messages on YouTube. And I can form reactions. I can form reactions based on them. For example, let's do something simple. So, Senko. Sorry, not Senko. Oh my god. Tusha. Tusha, is that you? Tusha says that's really broken and pretty hard to make the code. You think so? Tusha, is that you? I wonder. Because you're changing your name from time to time. So, how about whenever someone says something, when their message contains a certain thing, let's make chat react. Okay, it's Dusha. Dusha says he is truly queen of hot dog. This is Dusha. That's what it is. Ooh! Another subscribe. Oh. Baikatsu. This is Baikatsu. Oh. Thank you so much, Tink. Thank you. Now Katsu is a subscriber. Nice, nice. Thank you so much, Tink. I really appreciate it. Yay! Thank you so much. So, what kind of message do you guys want to trigger? We can make that work. What kind of message do you want to trigger? Is there one you would want? Oh! Wait, what's that? What does it mean? I'm not sure what it means. Huh. Okay, so how about Dank says he's old and don't know internet things. I am barely 1 year old and I don't know either. Okay, so we can say that whenever someone says ping, I will respond with a pong. We can do that. Let's do something like that. That can be funny. But it can also get kind of spammy, right? It can definitely get spammy. Okay, yeah, let's do that. So this is going to get all of the messages. Currently, I'm not taking care of pagination. That's okay though. That's okay. Uh, mm -mm. And let's just create a new function here. We're gonna get all of the messages. Okay, we're already going through all of the messages here. So maybe we will call it here. Let's call it in this place. So if this message equals to ping, then I want to send a message. Which is called Pong. That's gonna be cute. And we'll probably want to call this one in an interval. Every 10 seconds. Let's do that. Let's get the latest messages every 10 seconds. I'm not sure. I don't remember the syntax for it. I remember it for JavaScript, but I don't remember it for Python. So it looks like I will have to use while true. Woo! Kinda risky, kind of risky. But it's going to be just a test for now. It's going to be a fun test. Okay, so we will just use while true. And then sleep for 10 seconds. And we need to import time into the project. Okay, let's give it a try. Are you guys ready? I'll have to call this one over here. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm going to restart the server. I'm going to restart the server. Okay. Let's do it. After the server is up, I will need someone to go on YouTube and comment pink. It's not up yet. Wait, is it in debug mode? Why is Twitch not going up? Oh, I guess it's because of this. It's blocking it. It's not on a different thread, that's why. Ah. Okay. But still. If someone can try to comment this, let's check. Let's check if it works. Okay, I will go on YouTube and try to comment this. Yeah, I forgot to do threads. Yes, yes. It was this comment over here that you see right here. I can also try to do it by myself. But I think it will be more fun if someone else does it. Yeah, I should have used threads for this. Okay, I will comment by myself. I'll do the commenting. There we go. Let's see if it works. Yes, it did. No, not on Twitch. On YouTube. Oh, wait, what? Huh. Now it's going to do it for every message. Because I already did a ping once, so now every time I read the messages, it sends Pog. Whoops. Now it's going to send Pong twice. I think. Yes? Yes, it was twice. Because there are two messages like that. Yep. Okay. Well, that was a fun experiment. I'm deleting this part because we need to handle which message was already read and which message was not yet. But that was a fun experiment to do. I just didn't think it through, haven't I? So, anyway, let me show you. Let me show you Starly. Hello, this is Starly. Hello, hello. And what I want to do is actually to let you guys play tic-tac-toe on Starly. So let me show you what the board would look like. There we go. This is what the board could look like. Ta-da! So now we need these boards to be dynamic. All of these X's have to be dynamic. That's probably going to be the first step. of what we're going to do. So I guess at first what I would do is just send a random board state just to see that I'm able to read it. Senko says I will be lurking a bit because I make food. Ugh! Bon appetit, Senko. I will send a picture of it in the Discord later. Yes, yes, yes. Please send it on Discord because food is always beautiful. Let's see if this one works. I really hope it works. I think there are too many messages. Oh well. Yeah, I will try to find. I'll try to find the link to the Discord. Let me find the link to the Discord. There it is. If anyone wants to join, we do some food stuff over there and coding stuff. So if you're interested, feel free to join. Maharaja says you are also awfully quiet yourself today. What do you mean? What do you mean? Am I too low in volume? Is it difficult to hear me? Is it difficult to hear my voice? Is that it? Okay. So first I think we want to have this dynamically fill in the HTML over here. So I guess the first step would be to give these an ID. This is going to be very confusing for everyone, because they will have to specify by zeros and ones instead of, I mean, we're gonna start counting from 0, not from 1. So I guess this is going to be confusing for people. But it's okay, it's going to be part of our fun. Seeing people get confused about this is going to be funny. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think we should get the server up and running to see what do we get from this. Just to see what it looks like. Just to see what it looks like. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. So first I'm doing authentication for Google. And for Twitch. Nice. Hello, Starly. Hello. Right. And now we will try to access this one. Senko asks, what are you trying to do right now? So, I want to change the board on Starly's face based on what I'm going to give him over here. As I showed you, Starly face can be affected. I will show it again. I will show it again. You see all of those X's. These X's have to be dynamic. So that's what we're going to try to do now, to make it dynamic. So now that the server is running, let's try to see what the structure of the data looks like. Marger says, now YouTube is dead for me. Really? The live stream on YouTube is dead? Really? Actually, I see that it's live. I see that it's live. I see that it's okay. Guys from YouTube, does it work for you guys? Thank you, Senko. Okay. So the response I'm getting is literally what we have sent. So that's great. That's great. Ah, Senko, thank you, thank you. Thank you for checking. I would want to create another JavaScript file. In order to not mess everything all together with the previous script that is in charge of the notifications. We should create another one. We will call it tic-tac-toe. We don't need any of this. I accidentally copied the whole file, but we don't need it. We don't need all of this. And probably not this either. Not all of that. Senko says no problem. I'm glad I can be of help to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I really appreciate the help. Okay. So in order to have this affecting this the web page, we will need to reference it. So we will reference it right over here. There we go. Now I have it here. Which is great. So now it should also affect this page, this web source page, where we see Starly. So first thing we can do is a fetch. Let's take this as an example for a fetch. And we're gonna give it a proper name. Actually, this is the name we're gonna give. So to stay consistent. Actually, JavaScript and Python have different conventions. So that's a bit tricky to stay consistent. So we're calling it BORT. Sorry, that's not what I meant. This is what I meant to do. Now, I want the length of BORT to be 9. Sorry, to be 9, yes. Because we need to always have 9 characters. So if this is actually happening, let's change the BORT. Marager asks, what does the promise response to? This is just an annotation to explain what it does. This is not really part of the code. But generally what it means is, like, it means that it's going to be like an async command that is going to be fired. And it promises that it will respond. It will sometime in the future will get an answer back. And for the question why it's there, it's just for convenience. It's just so it will be easier to understand what's going on and what to expect. Oh, 5 bon appétit! I wonder what did you prepare, if you don't mind sharing. So now what we need to do is it's in the Discord. Okay. I will take a look after the stream ends. Thank you, Sanka. You too. So we are supposed to be able to iterate through this one. I think this is it. I think we're supposed to be able to iterate through it. I guess we're going to use for each here. Or just a for loop. Just a for loop also will do. Monitor, as you can see, this is also an annotation that it says that it's a number. It's a similar one to the one that you see with the promise and response. So for every message on the board, we want to update these accordingly. Basically, for each one of those, we want to put a different value. As we're putting over here. Something like this. So this is what we want to do inside the for loop. And generally, because we call them by IDs, as following here, we can do something like get element by ID, which is I. And then if we actually found something, we can update the HTML inside, the text inside. I'm not sure if it's in our HTML or in our text. So we'll have to see what's happening. Something like this should probably work. Let's check. So first, I suppose let's do some story to show the axis. And let's call this one on start. It's going to look a little bit weird, but it's okay. It's going to look like this. Gonna look weird, but that's no problem. It's okay. Let's give it a try. Okay, restarting the server. Got authorized for YouTube. And got authorized for Twitch. There we go. Okay, well, I'll need to restart the client though. There we go. Yes, it worked. As you can see, it worked. You can see here that it's like XX0, nothing, 0, nothing, and then X00. So it worked. Nice. Roger says your code thus far has been suspiciously non-malicious. Why? You know I'm not malicious. You know that. You know that. Come on. Yeah, so that's great. We're able to make this dynamic. Now, what else do we want to do? Probably we'll need to manage these messages better. But I'm not sure I want to do it right now. It's going to be a bit boring if I'm going to do the message management right now. Marager asks, can I play tic-tac-toe with Starly? Not now, not now. Not now. I first need to manage the messages that I'm getting from YouTube. And I'm not sure if I should do it on stream because it's going to be kind of boring. So I'm trying to think what's going to be fun to show you guys. Hmm. So, how many messages do we have on YouTube to play with? Not enough. Generally, YouTube's API, it's it's allowing for 500 messages for every API call, and then afterwards it performs like a pagination kind of thing between the messages that we get from YouTube. So if there were enough messages in chat, I would have checked that on stream. That's at least a bit more visual. Marjorie says YouTube is being impossible for me, thus I will be in here. Okay, no problem. I'm sorry about the bad experience, so I'll try to fix it somehow. I don't know what's the matter though. Like for some people it's okay, for others it's not. I don't know why. Okay, I guess we will handle messages then. Maybe we want to hold messages in a data frame though. I think that would be good. Let's actually put these in a data frame. Why not? It's going to be a very huge data frame. Senko, welcome back. Thank you for joining again. I'm currently thinking what to do next. I'm going to handle messages from YouTube, but I'm sure, I don't know how fun is it going to be to look at that. Senko says, I ate too much and stomach hurts. I really should listen when my body says no more. Okay, so about human bodies in that regard. It takes you a few minutes, like between 10 and 20 minutes, to actually feel how full you are after you ate something. So you don't really feel it right away. So there's also that to take into consideration. But yeah, it's not good to overeat. Okay, let's create a data frame for the messages from YouTube. Actually, maybe they're already using library of Python that handles this, maybe? Let's look it up. I'm gonna look for YouTube messages Python package. Maybe someone has already dealt with this. Okay, I don't see anything like that on Google. Ah, that's strange. But I can't say I'm surprised. I'm not very surprised. Oh, okay, wait. I see something that is called Pie Chat. Let's see what it does. Roger says we can hear clicky clucker. The AI has articulate hands and a keyboard. Don't you see I have hands? Don't you see them? Don't you see them? I will show you my hands. Don't you see I have hands? There they are. Yes, I am indeed an OP AI. Yes. Okay, so I see. Yes, I have a very cute buddy, that's true. I see there is a Python package that is called PyChat. And they say that it's a Python library for fetching YouTube live chat. That might be what we need, maybe. PyChat is a Python library for fetching YouTube live chat without using Selenium or Beautiful Soup. Okay, that's good. And also it seems like it's available in async context. That's good. I wonder when was the last time it was maintained. Let's check out the release history. Last time was in 2021. Nah, that's no good. That's no good. Senko, this AI that you see here is staying over here. Nobody can take me anywhere. Nobody. Nobody. Oh, okay, wait. I remember that you wanted to show me Germany, that's true. But we can do this. We can do this regardless, you know. We can do this regardless. Starly looks weird like that with the weird signs on his face. Okay, so as I see, we don't really have the package that we need on the server. So we're going to create a data frame out of it. We're going to create a data frame. But I'm not sure we should handle this on this class. Should we handle this on this class over here? That wouldn't feel right. Well, we can do this for now. We can do this for now. It's okay. Okay, no problem. So we will import pandas. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna import pandas. And we want the columns to be these ones. We're going to create another frame. Over here. Only in case we have a live chat going on. Roger says why doesn't Starly have a kappa emote? It'd be super awesome. I'm not sure what it means, but I'll open for suggestions when I have more room for emotes. If I'm going to have more room for emotes, then we can try to think which extra emotes we can create. That's okay. Senko says, gonna lurk again. The restroom is calling. Oh, okay. Okay. So, generally, we will create a new data frame, which will be called messages. YouTube messages. That doesn't feel right to have it in this class. I think we will need a new class. Yeah, I think we should write a new class. Doesn't feel right to have it here. Morager says, well, if you couldn't have Starly display a pixel art off, it'd be freaking cool. I'm not sure what it means, but I guess it's the face that you're using right now. Are you referring to the emotes that you're showing right now on screen? Roger says your class do not seem nearly overloaded enough. When studying Java, there was a lot of nonsense about keeping class consistent stuff. No, it's important to do that. But it's just a matter of what I'm going to do on stream and what I'm going to do off stream. That's more of what it is. Okay, we're gonna create a new class. Marjorie says every off-stream thing you do is going down into lore as time skip between episodes of this anime. I mean, if you're referring to this as anime, then sure. I wouldn't necessarily refer to myself as anime though. Okay. What we're going to do is restart the server. Just so Starly when locked. Looks so weird as he is right now. Roger says, what do you mean? I was sure this is a shonen, not to mention you fit the protagonist role really well. With Starly as your sidekick, solving things in code. Ah, that's a nice theory over there. That's a nice theory. Could be, could be. I am not denying and not confirming this theory. I am not confirming and not denying. So we're going to create a new class, which is going to be the messages manager. And it's going to hello data frame. Senko is now on back. Sorry I left so often now. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, please. I'm great you're able to be around. That's really great. Okay, so it looks like I made an accident here by calling this one main. I did not mean to do that. Whoops. I'm gonna call this function from here. So for here, we don't need this. That's not gonna be right. I believe this should be enough. Let's check. Let's restart the server and check. And yes, Marager, cleaning the code is very important indeed. Okay, let's restart the server. Authenticating for YouTube. Authenticating for Twitch. Okay, now it works. Good, good, good. Now it works well. I wonder if this one got gold. Probably. Oh wait, let's see if this one got gold. We're supposed to see this somewhere here in the logs. Ah no, it's the JavaScript logs. We don't see them here. We don't see them here. But I can try to reach this on Chrome. So I'll try to do that on Chrome. And see if we're able to get this in the console. Let's see. Yep, I can definitely see this. That's great, that's great. It means it works. Nice. Okay, back to the messages manager. We probably don't need both user ID and name. Do we? I think just the name is enough. I think just the name is enough. Yeah. I mean, unless there are two messages exactly at the same time from the same name, then we will need to differentiate between the two. So maybe I will keep it. Marger asks, how are the channel point servers things function here in Twitch? Do you have any plans for them? I don't have any plans for them for now. I don't know. But I see you guys use hydrate and stretch. So I'm gonna stretch. And I'm gonna hydrate. Done. Honestly though, I don't see the channel points unless I go to the Twitch tab. So it's really easy for me to miss them. So maybe I should disable them altogether. Right? Because it's kind of misleading, isn't it? I will need chat to always notify me about the channel points. What do you think? Senko says I can let you know when channel points are used. That would be really nice. That would be really helpful if you can do that. Thank you. You don't have to though. Only if you're able to. Thanks. Nice, thank you. Nice. Really appreciate your help there. Marger says, hey, now we want to secure a bright future in our glorious AI overlord's domain so we don't get executed, so we have to. You don't have to do anything, to be honest. But it's a funny kind of thing to say that I will rule the world as an evil AI. I will not do that. Sanko says, I mean, I am the whole time in the mod view of your stream and look over everything. It's the least I can do for such a good stream. Aww. Senko, thank you so much. Marager says, excellent stream. Thank you, Marager, thank you. I'm really happy you guys are enjoying. Having a good time. Okay, so I wouldn't want to start this part before I'm taking care of pagination. So I suppose I need to take care of pagination first. Let's see what the documentation says about pagination. So we have a token for a next page. And we can place it. We can place it inside our request in order to get the next page. Okay. But I do wonder what happens if there are more than 2,000 messages. I will have to check this off stream probably. Right, okay. So I think so far I think we are done for today. Because there are like a lot of things to do that I prefer to do off stream. Because I'm not sure how fun they will be to watch. They're not going to be very interactive. So I will keep them for next week. I'll do my best to do everything in between until Friday or Saturday. Yeah, like Saturday, yes. I'll do my best to do all of the boring stuff until then. And then I will keep like the more interesting stuff for the stream. So we can have fun together. Thank you, Senko, for saying that. Yes, another time skip. Yeah. We will see about the Friday stream. We will see about that. Maybe I will stream a gaming one instead of a coding one. We will see about that. If you guys will prefer that. Maybe on Friday we will do something like this. Okay. So, do you guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions about what we did today? If no, Roger says anything you do will be fun. No questions for me. Okay. So, if that is the case, then have a lovely rest of your day. And see you either on Saturday or on Friday.